So actually what she have to do? 13 means, the 13 means 110 and 3 ones. In Lakshmi problem, she have written under hundreds. 1 she have written under hundreds. But 13 means 110. That's why 1 should come under 10. 3 should come under 1. But here Lakshmi have done tens. 1 should have taken under hundreds. 3 should have taken under tens. That's why Lakshmi's problem is wrong. Rani's problem is correct. Okay. Then next problem, when we are discussing about the next, what is the next problem? Try this in the page number 40. Ravi had 125 rupees. His father gave 45 rupees to him. How many rupees does Ravi have now? So it's very easy question. Ravi has 100 and Ravi has initially means starting. Ravi has 125 rupees. Then his father gave. How much his father gave to him again? For him only he have given again. Means money joined or gone? Yes, money joined extra. How much rupees it is? 45 rupees. So here how do you write 45? Like this or like this? Yes, it is wrong. We have to write like this because 45 means 4 tens and 5 ones. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. So 4 must come under tens, 5 must come under ones. So 4 tens, 5 ones. Now we can do the addition because total money. So Ravi has now, how much money is there with Ravi? So we need to do the addition. So you know how to do the addition? Direct method only you can do. You can do this in your textbook only, not in your notebook. Do in textbook only. Okay, next come to the page number 41. There is one question here. A teacher kept a note of the number of storybooks and story cards were read by boys and girls in the school. This was what she found. So what table is given here? You can understand the table here. There are some boys and girls are there in the school. There are some boys and girls are there in the school. They have read the storybooks and story cards. They completed the storybooks and story cards. So here students are in the two formats, means boys are there. Sorry, first they have given girls and then first they have given the boys. So story books. So girls read 129 story books. Girls read 109 story books and 237 story cards. 237 story cards. 129 story books girls read and 237 story cards read by the girls. Same like that, boys also read some cards here. Boys read 75 story books and 150 story cards. Boys read 75 story books and 150 story cards. Now the questions are given here to you. You need to find out them. See the first one, A. How many total story books and story cards were read by girls? By girls, how many story books and story cards read by them? By the girls. Girls read this many story books and this many story cards. Totally how many they are asking? Means you know that what we need to do when they are asking total. Yes, what should we do? We should do the addition. Totally means compulsory you should do the addition. So we need to add this both. Number of story books and number of story cards. We need to add this both and we will get the answer. Okay, very good. You can do that and write in the textbook. In notebook you do the addition and write the answer in the textbook. Then where is the second one? You see, how many total story books and story cards were read by boys? By boys, how many story books and how many story cards read by boys? So where the boys are there here? Boys, how many story books they read? 75. How many story cards they read? 150. So totally how many? Means what numbers you have to add? Yes, very good. 75 and 150 you need to add. Then you will get the answer. Like that, one more question. How many total story books were read by the students? Totally story books only read by girls and boys also. Story books only. Story books read by girls, story books read by boys. Totally how many story books read by them? Means what numbers we need to add? Yes, very good. 129 and 75. These two numbers we have to add and you will get the answer. Same like that, how many story cards read by all the students? So 237 story cards read by girls, 150 cards read by boys. So we need to add this both and you will get the answer. So here read the question properly. What are the numbers you need to add? Find out carefully and add that numbers and then find the answer here. Okay, that is the work you need to do. So in page number 39 there is one try this, you need to do that, and in page number 40 there is one more try this, you need to complete that, and in the page number 42 second question there are 4 additions are there, you need to find and you need to write the answers here. And after that there is one more question here, how many chalk boxes are there? So once try to understand it, how many chalk boxes are there? In Salur school, children make chalks and distribute to other schools. In Salur school, children are making the chalk pieces and they are distributing to other schools. In 1 month, they made 175 chalk boxes. In 1 month. In 1 month, not only chalk pieces, boxes. 175 boxes they made in 1 month. By the next month, in the next month, in second month, in the first month and in the next month, they made 127 chalk piece boxes. 127 chalk boxes. After the 2 months, Gopi asked his friend Rafi, how many chalk pieces have you made? Totally how many chalk pieces you made is asked by the friend. Then the 2 friends are there, they have done the addition like this. Can you say to me whose answer is correct? And one person have taken, he have written like that. Here this is Gopi. Gopi have done this calculation. So because you know that in first month 175, in the second month 127. Totally how many chalk boxes are made by them means we need to do the addition. So they want to do the addition. So when they are added, 5 plus 7, 12. So 12 means you know that 1 carry you will take and 2 you will write here. And 1 plus 7, 8 plus 2, 10. Then he have taken 1 and he didn't write anything. And he have written 3 here. Whereas this man 2 and here 10 came, no, 10 means 1 and 0 and 3. Whose answer is correct here? Yes, Rafi answer is correct. Why? Because here 10 means 10 and 0. 10 means 10 and 0. 1 carry went here and 0 must write compulsory. Here he didn't write 0. That's why this problem is wrong. This is correct. So okay, I think you understand well. So today work is page number 39, try this. Page number 41, try this. And page number 41, the second problem. Total table, 4 additions are there. So complete these are. If you have doubts, you can clarify the doubts in the live class tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.